Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Wall Street. 222 Wall Street, get it back up.
C3, let me get it back up. 222 Wall Street. Hey,
There's your fucking hands! Hey, hold on! Drop the gun, man! Yo, hey, put it out.
C3, shots fired.
Officer needs help.
Officer needs help.
You good? Stand by, dude.
23rd and Wall, officer needs help, 32 and Wall.
Hey, let me see your hands, sir! Don't move!
Supervisor responding, come
He's right there. Hey, watch that door. Watch that door. Hold on, bro. You good? Are you okay? All right. Let me see your hands, man. Lay down flat on the ground. Flat on the ground.
Flat on the ground. Don't move.
Articles under his head.
32 and Wall, identify.
Articles under his head, dude.
3 from Central Key.
Watch your back, okay? Hey, go that way.
Hey, go the other way.
Watch up here, too.
And Wall.
Have units respond any direction, north, south, dude.
Z3, have units respond in any direction.
Any direction.
Go inside! Go inside!
13 is code 3, 13Z3, verify your location.
13Z3, we're on Wall Street, north of 23. Have units respond north or south. We're gonna be at 222 Wall Street. You okay, dude?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. How you in?
Right here.
First location is 222 Wall Street. 13 location is 222 Wall Street. Approach.
Articles right there, sir.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna take over the air.
Articles right there, sir.
Okay, he's right under it.
Shots fired.
Have units respond northbound, 23rd.
Sir, we have two outstanding
Two
suspects.
outstanding suspects. This guy's got an article right under it. Okay, which way did they run?
They ran inside.
They ran in here?
Yes.
Units respond northbound from 23rd. Next unit, on north of G at Maple. Got 12 suspects.
So he went into the northbound from the car. Hold on, I'm gonna set everything. Hold on, back up. Hey, get a tube ready. Get a tube and a shield if you can. Okay, I'm gonna reload, bro.
You're good, bro. Yeah.
2-1 in Maple. 2-1 in Wall. 2-3 in Maple. 2-3 and Wall.
Don't move up on her yet.
Yes, sir. You good right there, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Perimeter 2-3 in Maple, 2-3 in Wall.
Hey, grab the tube. We're gonna replace Kev. You're gonna replace back. Let the tube go first. He's lying on the article.
Hey, the article's still there on his right hand.
Tube, get up there. Do not move yet.
Get a shield.
Yeah. Hey, sir, can you get a shield if you can? Yeah.
Where you at? Shield over here.
Okay, hold on. Get your cover.
Behind you. Get the cover, bro, a little bit. You good?
Okay. Handle this shot right here. Back up. The guy's right there. You got that cover on you.
In Wall, 2-3.
Hold on.
Maple, 2-1 in Wall, 2-1
Hold on the suspect, guys. Hold on. Back up. Okay, yeah. Back it up a little bit and angle it. Hey, he's lying under the article.
Yeah, it's under his right hand. Tell him it's under his right hand. I see it.
Hey, the article's right under his right hand. Hey, we still have two outstanding suspects. They ran northbound from the car right in front of our shop, okay?
Who's primary?
Okay.
That's us, sir. It's us.
You guys shot fired?
Yes.
You guys both fired?
Yes.
These are my... Want to replace them, get the shooters? Yeah. Okay.
Hey, I got 3 lines.
Replace him. Come on, guys.
You good, bro?
Yeah. Okay.
And then let me get another unit mid-block on 2-1 between
You guys come over here.
Maple and Wall.
I'm going to get to my way.
Yeah.
Third and wall, officer detail 32 and wall.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
Don't move. He's right there. Hey, watch that door. Watch that door. Watch that door. Hold on, bro.
Yeah, bro. I'm good.
Let me see your hands, man. Lay down flat on the ground. Flat on the
Hey,
ground.
flat on the ground! Don't move!
Articles under his head.
Yeah.
32 and wall identified.
Articles under his head, dude. Watch your back, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, go that way.
Hey, go the other way!
Watch up here, too. Have units respond any direction, north, south, dude.
Z3, have units respond in any direction.
Any direction.
Go inside.
Go inside!
13Z3, we're on Wall Street, north of 23. Have units respond north or south. We're gonna be at 222 Wall Street. You okay, dude?
Yeah, brother. Right here. Hey, post the shop up. Sir,
Articles right
post.
there. Shots fired.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna take over the air.
Articles right there, sir.
Okay.
He's right under it.
Sir, we have two outstanding suspects.
Two outstanding suspects. This guy's got an article right under him.
Okay. Which way did they run?
They, so
Inside.
Okay. They ran in here?
Yes.
Northbound from 23rd.
So he went into the northbound from the car.
Hold on, I'm gonna set everything. Hold on.
Raj. Hey, get a tube ready. Get a tube and a shield if you can. Kev, I'm gonna reload, bro.
Don't move up on him yet.
Roger.
You good right there, bro?
Yeah, bro. Hey, grab the tube. We're gonna replace Kev. You're gonna replace back. Let the tube go first. He's lying on the article. He's lying on the article.
Tube, get up
Tube
there.
first.
Do not move yet.
Yeah. Hey, sir, can you get a shield if you can? Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Get your cover. Get your cover.
Yeah.
Hold on the stuff. Hold on. Back up a little bit and angle it. Corner on my right.
Hey, he's lying under the article, so he,
Right hand.
Open the back of the door.
hey, the article's right under his right hand. Hey, we still have two outstanding suspects. They ran northbound from the car right in front of our shop, okay?
Okay.
We're the primary.
Yes.
Yes.
You guys both fired? Yes. You know, okay. Want to replace them with the shooters? Yeah. Okay. Come on, guys.
You good, bro?
Yeah, really.
Okay.
And then let me get another unit mid-block on 2-1 between
You guys come over here.
and Wall.
I'm going to get them away.
Where are you making your approach from? Your left or the right?
I'm making left. I'll go around. I got left arm. You got right arm.
I got right. You got
right on.
I got right.
Hold.
Let's go.
Hook him up.
I got this one. I got this arm.
Watch your gun. Watch your gun. Give me the. You got it?
Got it.